beef,
tofu and pork.
tofu and pork,
Everything. Soup.
everything soup. Shrimp sauce?
No.
No, just having some food at the restaurant, and then you can have your haircut. Hey, what's up? I'm in Toa, something like that. A village about 1 hour and a half outside of Hanoi. I'm going to Thai Nguyen. I'm going north to the border to see some waterfalls and stuff. Yeah, now I just stopped here and it's pretty cool. Some rice fields and stuff. I'm wearing the rain attire because it's raining. So yeah, today I'm leaving Hanoi. Stayed there for about 5 nights. Didn't do much, just hang out with my friend, and then my friend left. And Hanoi wasn't great in my opinion, but maybe I didn't discover the right parts of town yet. But so far I preferred Saigon much more. But yeah, I'll go back there probably in 2 weeks and explore it a little more. So we'll see how it is. The last days in Hanoi have been really polluted, which was not helping the situation. But there's great food and people are pretty nice, even though some people say people in the north are not as nice as the people from Saigon. But I find people being pretty cool. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna keep going north and film you some bits of the journey. See ya! What's up? Today I left Ba Bay Lake and I'm going to Cao Bang, where there's a waterfall a bit north of that city. It's about 3.5 hours drive, but it's gonna take a bit longer because because the weather is horrible. Yeah, because the weather is horrible. And yeah, just keep driving. I'm very wet right now and it's pretty nasty, but it's part of the journey. So see you in Cao Bang. I'm just in the city of Cao Bang, going up to the waterfall. Probably gonna sleep there one night. It's a Gioc Waterfalls, something like that. It's very famous. It's right on the border with China. And yeah, I'm gonna go up there now. This is just another city in Vietnam, nothing special around here, but the waterfall looks pretty amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna drive there. It's about a 2-hour drive and it should be nice because the sun has finally come out, so that's good. It's still cloudy, but a bit of sun's coming out, so that's encouraging. Yeah, we'll see how it goes when I get there. Hopefully I get a nice sunset for a change, and yeah, we'll see. This is a smaller waterfalls, which is still pretty nice. Nice color of water. And then there is the bigger waterfall. So this is a bigger waterfall. It's pretty nice, but I think the drone view is much better, obviously, but yeah. And on the other side there is China. So just a little bit of information about the waterfall. To get in, it's 45,000 dongs. If you have a bike, it's 10,000 dongs to park it. And yeah, it seems to be open pretty late, right up to sunset, and they don't have any gates or anything. So I guess you can get in free after the attendant leaves, but I didn't really try it. Other than that, I'd recommend staying around the waterfall. There's a couple hotels and homestays. It's pretty cheap. I paid a hotel room 300,000 dongs with like normal hotel free, not free, but I mean private bathroom and everything. Just and homestays are like 150 to 200,000. And because a lot of people stay in the Cao Bang city and they just drive here. It's a 2-hour drive, so it's pretty far to do it in the same day and enjoy the waterfall properly, in my opinion. So if you can stay around there, it's better.